Fractional indices. We know that a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. It follows that if we had a to the power of half and we multiply by a to the power of half, we'd get a to the power of 1, which is just a. But the very definition of a square root is that the square root of a times the square root of a is a. So we have two calculations here that give the same result. It follows that a to the power of half is the square root of a. Using a similar analysis, a to the third times a to the third times a to the third is a to the 1. Add the indices up. The definition of a cube root is that the cube root of a times the cube root of a times the cube root of a is also a. And logically it follows that a to the 1/3 is the cube root of a. Generalizing these results, we find that a to the 1 over n is the nth root of a.